Hey everyone! If you're watching this, chances are you're trying to use Discord, but it's blocked at school, work, or even in your country. The good news? I've got the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you how to bypass Discord restrictions and access it from anywhere, easily and safely. What you'll learn in this video: why Discord is restricted in some places, how Discord blocks access and how to bypass it, step-by-step guide to using NordVPN to unblock Discord. Other methods to access Discord if VPNs are blocked. You can click the link in the description to get NordVPN, the best VPN for unblocking Discord securely and quickly. Let's dive in. So, why is Discord blocked? There are a few common reasons. Country restrictions. Some countries like China, UAE, Oman, and Iran block Discord due to government regulations. School and workplace firewalls. Many institutions block Discord to prevent distractions and save bandwidth. Public network restrictions. Airports, hotels, and coffee shops often block Discord for security reasons. IP bans. Some users are banned from certain Discord servers based on their IP address, but no matter where you are, you can easily bypass these restrictions using the methods I'll show you next. Discord blocks users in a few different ways, but the good news is you can bypass them all. IP-based blocking. Discord detects your location and blocks access if it's restricted. Firewall restrictions. Schools and workplaces use network firewalls to block Discord. ISP restrictions. Some internet providers block VoIP services like Discord. How to bypass these blocks: using a VPN, encrypts your connection and changes your IP. It's the best method. Using Discord web app. Sometimes only the desktop app is blocked. Using a proxy server can work, but not as secure as a VPN. The easiest and most reliable way? A VPN. Let me show you how. Now, let's unblock Discord in minutes with NordVPN. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. NordVPN offers monthly, 1-year, and 2-year plans. Longer plans are cheaper and come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open NordVPN and connect to a server in a country where Discord isn't blocked. USA, UK, Canada, Germany, etc. Step 5. Open Discord. It should now work without restrictions. If you can't use a VPN, maybe VPNs are also blocked, here are some other ways to access Discord. Use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Many schools and workplaces block Discord on Wi-Fi, but not on mobile networks. Try the browser version of Discord. Sometimes only the app is blocked, but Discord's web version still works. Use a proxy server. This can work if VPNs are blocked, but proxies are less secure than a VPN. Use Tor browser, last resort. If everything else fails, Tor can bypass restrictions, but it's slow and not ideal for voice calls. While these methods work, a VPN is still the easiest and safest way to access Discord. And that's it! Now you know exactly how to bypass Discord restrictions and access it from anywhere. If Discord is blocked in your country, school, or work, a VPN is the best solution. NordVPN is the easiest way to unblock Discord quickly and securely. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a discount and access Discord today. Did this method work for you? Have any questions? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.